Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input types, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML input type of number with min max attributes together. The input type of number defines a numeric input field, and you can also set restrictions using the min max attribute on what numbers accepted. The following example displays a numeric input field where you cannot enter a value below 1 and cannot above 5. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Back to our document right here, you can see we have discussed about different type of input, a lot of them, and you can see we are having password input also, and we are having radio button input, radio input. We can have reset input also. It's all working perfectly. Now let's give it our, you can check our playlist on HTML from playlist or HTML input type playlist. Now let's create another input, but firstly we need a label. Let's give it min max. Max, but I'm going to, let's just write number. Let's give it number. Anyone, you can write anything you want there. So right here I'm going to give it number min max input. So just to recognize it, that's why we are using the label variable. And now let's use the input. Let's give it number. Don't you forget, all these things, they are not useful for now, because we are just trying to see the value of the min max. We should be able to use the input type of number by now. So let's just use the min max to restrict it using 1 and max using 4. Let's just use 4. Let's reload our document so you can see what I'm talking about. Now we are having our input type of number. So let me break this so you can see it very well. We have times 3 times 2 is okay. So just to break the page very well, now it's having this. Yes. Now let's add number. If you add number and try to submit it, can you see this one goes? But if you specify anything below 1, let's say you specify 0, it will not go. Can you see it's not going anywhere? If you specify 4, it will go. But if you specify anything below and beyond 4, it will not go. Let's say 5, it will not go. Can you see? And if you are trying to increase using this button, it will never go. And if you are trying to decrease using this button, it will never go beyond 1. You can begin it using 2. Let's reload our document and save it. Let's bring it down. Now let's bring it down. It will never go beyond 2, and it will never go beyond 4. As you can see, we have restricted using min and max. The minimum it can go low is 2. The maximum it can go high is 4. As you can see. So that's the benefit of using it. So I want you guys to understand very well. But if you are using hand, you can use hand to write anything you want. But if when you are trying to submit it, you never go. That's the benefit of using the min and max attribute. Let's say you want to use opposite now, opposite number also. You are trying to submit it, also it will never go. So that's the benefit of using it. Make sure you practice it, because practice makes perfect. If you don't do that, nobody will do it for you. Anwar ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, but never forget, just in case you are trying to use this with your server, you want to set all these things to the server, you need all this. Let us write me. Let us write max. You need all these name attributes. Well, just to make sure that it gets to where you are sending it to. You can put any name here, So and our form is still working nicely. So when you submit, it will go. You can see, let's submit. Let's put 2 and submit. Can you see our 2? Our min max 2 is heading there. So that's what I want to show you guys. Make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next tutorial. Bye bye.